Today I'm doing a review of a product called Commission Pages. I'm going to spend a couple of minutes on the sales page, and then we're going to take a look at the software. We're going to go inside. I'm going to go through all of the tabs on the side here and discuss the meaning of each one. And then I'm going to give you my honest opinion as to whether or not I think this is a program that will help you with your online business. My name is Robert Poole and my website is enterpriseformula.com. I provide tips and strategies to help you with your online marketing. If you find this video useful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload another video. If you happen to be looking for a safe and effective program that can help you with your online marketing, I have access to a free program that'll do just that for you. Just click the link in the description below. We're now inside of the sales page of Commission Pages. It says, we instantly make $525+ online every day with Commission Pages and 100% free traffic. Now it's your turn to succeed with the exact same system. Then they have a video here giving an idea of how the system works. And here are some of the bullet points explaining some of the features of this program. It says it's a brand new done-for-you traffic app. Free traffic works in 60 seconds. 100% beginner friendly. No experience required, no technical skills required, no email list required, no website required. Works from anywhere in the world. Live the real laptop lifestyle. 180-day money-back guarantee. 3 simple steps we use to build huge buyer lists and generate commissions 24/7. Number 1, purchase. Log into the Commission Pages app. 2, activate. Activate one of the done for you campaigns and hit the free traffic button. Step 3, profit and scale. Enjoy the unlimited free traffic and start seeing results within hours. No existing email list, website, or paid traffic required. And here you have some commission proof online, which are just simply images pasted. The truth is there's no way to prove any of these claims on this sales page. It says this system has helped us generate over $1,000 per day without any hassle. And once again, screenshots, images, no proof whatsoever. These are just regular screenshots that can be added to any sales page, and I would guarantee that you could find them. If you actually looked, you would find those same screenshots on other sales pages. That's just the way these guys work. It says setup only takes a few minutes and the commissions have kept rolling in every single hour since. And of course, here are some pain points. It wasn't that long ago when I was in your shoes trying everything to earn online. These are the pain points that come with a sales page that promises instant results. Yes, it's painful. I know I've been there. Your dreams of having an online business fade away into the darkness. These dreams are likely to include quitting your full-time job, having spare cash in the bank, working from home full-time, more time with your friends and family, more vacations every year, becoming your own boss, having less stress and depression. I'm sure you have your own dreams. And we do have our own dreams. All we want to do is buy a product. We are looking for an easy way to do things. That's why products like this sell so easily. Newbies like yourself, the solution must be easy to use, fast and effective, automated and passive, no monthly fees, no maintenance, 100% proven to work over and over. Above all these, we wanted this solution to be easy enough for my 95-year-old grandmother who has no technical skill or experience to be able to use straight out of the box. Here's a few more important points about this method, strategy and software. So as you can see, they go on and on and on, emphasizing the greatness of this product and how you'll feel so satisfied once you actually get this and start making it work. Step 1, purchase. Step 2, activate. Step 3, profit and scale. It says Commission Pages is a brand new commission generating system that includes an easy to use free traffic app, step-by-step video training, and a powerful case study so you have everything you need to generate traffic and leads fast. Okay, so let's see if that's true. So it says get started now, and here you have some testimonials, and it just goes on explaining all of the positive reasons why this program is something that you should get and that will work for you. It says nothing else on the market can compare to Commission Pages. So let's go in and take a look at the software itself. We're now inside of the dashboard of Commission Pages, and on the left here, these are the functions that are going to be provided for you. You're going to have access to the dashboard, tutorials, your campaigns, the Done For You 2, social, free traffic, upgrades, upgrade membership, and the help. The first thing you'll get is a welcome video, and it'll show you how to get started with Commission Pages. You can also see on the left here, it shows the purchased membership levels and the options that you have. You got Pro, Unlimited, Done For You, Unlimited Traffic, 30K in 30 days, Super Affiliate, License Rights, Auto Profit Boost, ATM Edition. The next thing you would do to get started with this program, you go to Tutorials. And here you're going to get videos explaining exactly how the process works. It says, welcome to the Commission Pages tutorials. And on this page, you will find a range of tutorial videos to help you get the most out of Commission Pages. It starts with how to use the Done For You campaigns. And here you can click the buttons below to get approval for the Done For You products. And here's a list of the products that they're going to give you access to. Next is integrations, which will show you how to integrate your email autoresponder. And next is how to create campaigns for any product, how to publish your campaigns, and the social sharing tools. Using the upgrades, in this video you will learn how to access the upgrades. The Auto Profit Boost, Super Affiliate Builder, traffic strategies, and then you have bonus content. Next is your campaigns. You click your campaigns, and here you get an option. You can create a campaign, or you can edit the campaign that's already provided just to see how they look and what you would actually have to do. So if you click edit, now you'll get a look at how you're going to set up your campaign. If you want to set up your own campaign, it shows you here with the question marks, the areas that you'll have to fill out. So this is a test campaign, so it sort of gives you an idea of how to get started. The first thing you would do is set up your theme settings, your affiliate page settings, your autoresponder settings, these page settings, your lead magnet settings, download page settings, and everything you need to set up your own campaign. Exit pop settings, social proof settings, Facebook tool. As you keep going down, these are all the things that you're going to need to set up your own campaign. But lucky for you, you don't have to set up your own campaign, because if you go to the next tab, you'll see they have the Done For You campaigns. Now we can click to edit, and now you'll get an idea of how a complete campaign is set up. It's got the theme colors, it's got the affiliate page information, the autoresponder settings, the squeeze page is all set up. As you continue to scroll down, you see some of the things that are checked here. Popular choice, fast track, free bonuses, they got some things checked there. Now you can add or remove some of these features. If you look right here on the side, you can add an attribute for the product. So if you were to click add an attribute, if you come straight down here, the last attribute that they have, you see right here, full community access, lead magnet, popular choice, fast track. Lead magnet, popular choice, fast track. This is year mentorship, live calls each week. Now you can add another attribute. If you actually click here, add attribute, now if we come down to the bottom, you'll see there's a brand new attribute added with no particular title to it. You see here it says attribute name. There's no name because we just added that one. So I'll remove it though, because we're not going to use that, but it just show you how you can actually build out your campaign if you don't like the features that's there. If you want to add more, you can actually do that. So the next thing we're going to go is to Done For You 2, which is simply another Done For You that you could actually edit and make it your own, however you like. So once you actually get your campaign set up, or you pick the one that you want, the next thing you would do is just go ahead and simply publish it. And to publish it, now you get the pages that are going to be used in this campaign. You got the squeeze page, the affiliate page, the lead magnet page, and the download page. Now you can copy each one or you can view each one. Let's view the squeeze page. If you click here, now you get a chance to see how your squeeze page is going to look. Well, let's go back. Now you can take a look at your affiliate page. So we'll take a view at that. And here's how this thing is set up. The idea is they'll get the free download, but they'll also get the option to go with the popular choice or the fast track. And then they have it listed in such a way to describe whether they have certain benefits or not. So this is all designed to make the buyer think they're getting something special when they go through this checklist to see the things that are included and not included. They'll also be adding some bonuses that you'll be able to give away. You're trusting the creator in the hopes that all of these are good products, because you're going to be sending these products to an audience that you create for yourself. And that's where the importance come in, that you should know about the creator and the product that you're selling, because if you don't, you can start your career off in a bad light, because you'll get an audience that'll be really mad because you sold them a product that they're not happy with. There was no way for you to know because you didn't investigate the product. You just jumped into this done for you idea and started selling the products that they recommend, which are their products, which they're going to be getting your buyers and be getting all the commissions. You will get a commission for the product. Now, if you're able to set up your own, like I said before, then fine. But if you're going to be selling these products, you should really know what you're selling. And let's close this box. And the next one is your social. If you go to your social, now you have the option to either connect your Twitter account or your Tumblr account. You can connect those and start marketing to your social accounts with your new campaign. One of your other options is you can click here where it says traffic under social shares, and now you can get access to the social platforms that are available through this product. Of course, you would have to have an account on each one of these, and you would basically have to start spamming these sites in order to get them to see your product, which is not advisable. There's a way to do this, but this is definitely not the way. You can upgrade your membership simply by clicking Upgrade Membership. You click there, then you'll get the option to scroll through and see what upgrade that you may be interested in. You have the Unlimited, Done For You, Unlimited Traffic, 30K Upgrade, Super Affiliate, License Rights, ATM Edition, Auto Profit Boost, Ultimate Edition. And you can click in to learn about each one of those upgrades if you decide to purchase this product. And then you have the free traffic. Here they give you the options to activate the free traffic app. Let's take a look at the Affiliate Traffic Lab. So if we were to click that, you would get an option to opt in and use this particular program to start learning how to get traffic through the affiliate traffic. Now, this is just my opinion, but Done For You products are really a great way to actually not have to set up a product for yourself. But the problem with this is that the products that you'll be selling belong to the creator himself. So when you actually go out and get traffic, that traffic's going to go through that funnel. He's going to get access to all of the buyers in that funnel, and he's going to be selling his products and not yours. Now, you can possibly make a few sales, but you'll be selling his product and you won't be building your own business. In order to build your own business, you really do have to have your own website. He does offer the autoresponder so that you can connect your autoresponder and get access to leads. And one of the other options he gives you is the option to create your own done-for-you funnel. Now, that's a pretty tedious process to do, and if you know how to do it, that's fine. But if you don't, then chances are this is not going to be a good product for you. The traffic that he suggests you get is solo ad. It just so happens that I did a video about solo ads, and yes, it is negative, but you will see why I'm so hard set against solo ads. Just click the link above this video to get access to it. Solo ads is the worst traffic that you could possibly get starting out because you never know where the source of that traffic is coming from. And one of the other things is the product itself. When you're building an audience for yourself, it's very important that the products that you promote to your audience are products that you feel good about, that you actually use yourself, and that will actually help them in whatever it is that they're trying to do. Now, if they actually get this product and find out that it's no good, that's a customer that you lose. So it's very important that you go through your products first before you actually sell them to your audience. Now, the way that they're teaching you to get traffic is through your social platforms, Twitter, Tumblr. Connect your social account, and then you start spamming your audience, if you have an audience on a social account, with your product. I hope this Commission Pages review helped you out. Once again, my name is Robert Poole and my website is enterpriseformula.com. And if you're looking for a safe and effective program that will help you with your online marketing, once again, click the link in the description below for that. All right, you have a nice day.